Hello viewer, in this video I am going to introduce the topic profit and loss. This is a very interesting topic and very important topic in any entrance exam. First let us see some basic definitions of profit and loss. So first I am going to explain what is cost price, what is selling price, what is profit and what is loss. So let us see these four definitions one by one. Now let us see the definition of cost price. Suppose say I am a businessman. Okay, I have purchased a pen for say 10 rupees. So this 10 rupees is nothing but the cost price. So cost price is nothing but the price at which I am buying an item. It can be a pen, it can be a mobile or anything. Here in this situation the rupees 10. Rupees 10 is nothing but the cost price of the pen. Now, after buying the pen for 10 rupees, I will sell it to my friend for 15 rupees. So, I will sell the pen for 15 rupees to my friend. So, this rupees 15 is nothing but the selling price. So, selling price is the price at which I am selling the item to some other person. So, these are the two definitions which are the foundation for the topic profit and loss. Now, let us see the next. So, we have completed cost price, selling price. Now, let us see what is profit. So, profit is nothing but, for example, if you take this example, I have purchased the pen for 10 rupees and I am selling it for 15 rupees. So, 15 minus 10. So, this is equal to rupees 5. So, I am earning 5 rupees. By selling one pen, I am earning 5 rupees. That is nothing but the profit. Profit is nothing but the extra amount which you are earning after selling an item. So, if you observe here, the profit is nothing but 5 rupees. Now, let us see what is loss. So, this is the definition of profit. Now, let us see what is loss. I will take the same example. I purchased the pen for 10 rupees. So, this is the cost price. And I have sold it for 8 rupees. So, this is the selling price. So, if you observe here, the cost price of the pen is 10 rupees and the selling price of the pen is 8 rupees. Here, the selling price is less than the cost price. Here, selling price is greater than the cost price. When the selling price is greater than the cost price, there will be a profit. But when the selling price is less than the cost price, like in this situation, the selling price is less than cost price. In this situation, 10 minus 8, that is equal to 2. So, I am losing 2 rupees. I am purchasing a pen for 10 rupees and I am selling it for 8 rupees. So, I am losing 2 rupees. That 2 rupees is called loss. And this 5 rupees is called profit. So, it's a simple concept. So, in most of the problems of profit and loss, we will buy an article for a certain cost price, we sell it for a certain price. Then we find either profit, loss, profit person, loss person and other things. So, we have seen what is profit, we have also seen what is loss. So, profit is nothing but selling price minus cost price and loss is nothing but cost price minus selling price. I hope you like this video. And if you want to encourage me, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please post your comments and please share this video to your dear ones.